Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are going to discuss on steps to create a new database in SQL so that we can store data in an organized manner. But before we go, what is SQL and what is database? SQL is a standard database language for accessing and manipulating database data, and it stands for Structured Query Language. And a database is an organized collection of structured data which is usually controlled by a database management system. So now what are the steps? The steps here include the first step, we have to create the database. To create the database, we have to use the syntax create database, then the name of our database. No space in the name of our database, that's why we use the name db_name. And at the end we have to put semicolon. The next thing here is we have to connect our created database. So to connect our created database, we have to use the syntax use, then the name of our database, and at the end also we have to put semicolon. Next thing here, we have to create tables inside our database, because usually in SQL and the database we store data in tables, so we have to create table. To create table, we have to use the syntax create table, and after creating table we have to try to insert the data inside the table using the syntax insert into, and finally we have to try to retrieve the data that we have already stored using the select then asterisk from statement. Thank you very much for your time and see you next time.